Hello and welcome to the walkthrough for the Daily Telegraph Prize crossword on Saturday, the 12th of March. Number 29,933. Start with the across ones. Number 1, admonisher unexpectedly reconciled. So, unexpectedly, that word, admonisher, meaning reconciled, is going to be harmonised. 6 across, third note followed by second note. Well, the third note, do, re, mi, so third note is mi, followed by second, gives a second, gives a mo. Stick that together and you get a note, which is a memo. And 8 across, phrase badly, so anagram of phrased. Editor changed again. Ed for editor. After anagram of phrase gives us reshaped for changed again. 9 across, Bishop leaves trash in this place for housing vehicles. Well, trash is garbage. B for Bishop leaving gives us garage or garage. And 10 across, dogged, son had a debt. This is going to mean dogged. Son is S, and then had is just a word. And if you had a debt, you could say you owed. Stick all that together. And we get shadow. If you follow someone, you shadow them. And if you dog them, you might follow them. So shadowed for 10 across. 11 across, pressed on in anger with Democrats. Anger is ire. D for Democrat. On going in to ire gives us ironed for pressed. 12 across, crafty part of researches. It's going to be arch, I think, as in arch as in crafty. So that's going to be arch. 14 across, essential constituent of diet for 1 in 10. Essential constituent of diet, this is going to mean if you for something, you pro it. 1, the letter I, going in 10 gives us protein. 18 across, environs of ancient, area of land, captivate. Environs of ancient is going to be the end letters of ancient, A and T. Tract of, area of land is going to be attract, and put that together, you get attract for captivate. 20 across, astound enthusiasts heading west. So enthusiasts are nuts. Heading west, going the other way, is stun for astound. 23 across, severely criticise a small journey at sea. So this is going to mean severely criticise, sort of. A and then S for small. A journey at sea, if you could sail, and if you assail somebody or something, maybe severely criticise. 24 across, underage person, grasping cross, bullish monster. Underage person is a minor. The cross, a tau is a type of cross, and a bullish monster is a minotaur or minotaur. 25 across, exotic raptor bird. It's just an anagram of raptor, those exotic letters. It's going to be parrot. And 26 across, different forms of volume and notes from time to time, limiting melody. So this is going to be meaning different forms of. V for volume. Notes from time to time, it's the letters, the alternate letters, N, T, and S. Limiting, so taking in a word for melody, which is going to be aria, gives us variance. 27 across, international leads footballer in difficulty. Well, the footballer is going to be Messi, Lionel Messi. And I for international leaves, and we get mess for difficulty. 28, last one across, resolves to prevent explosive devices. So if you prevent something, you deter it. Explosive devices can be mines, and if you have resolve, you're determined to do something, so determines. Let's do the down. One down, trouble with stern on vessel is going to be, if you're stern, you might be hard, and a vessel could be a ship, and trouble is hardship. 2 down, rogue crashed cars going over Air Lake. So crashed cars, anagram of cars going over A, and then L for lake is going to be rascal for rogue. 3 down, men supporting old renegade, one who makes speeches. Old renegade is O for old. Renegade could be a rat. OR for ordinary rifleman. And that's going to give us orator. 4 down, popular is in. E for English. A leg is a stage. An ant is a worker. Stick all that together, we get inelegant for lacking in good taste. 5 down, struggle for supremacy of a pair of boxers. So this is boxers as in dogs, so it's going to be a dog fight. 6 down, person making proposal involving source of metal as a further matter. So somebody I moved to, to do something. And then the source of metal is an or going in, gives us moreover for as a further matter. 7 down. Fascinating spells describing web. So spells is magic, describing going around a word for web, which is a net, gives us magnetic for fascinating. 13 down. Ingenuous, worried examinee. So that could be ingenuous, sort of means candid, I guess. If you're worried if something ate away at you, and candidate is an examinee. 15 down. Poison that could make 10 Arabs unwell. That's going to be rat's bane. 16 down. The rates adjusted in drama venues. Pretty easy, that one. Theatres. And 17 down. Lonely. Single is one. Single is one. Very is so. If you're excited, you can be elated. To go topless, get rid of the E. And that gives us isolated for lonely. 19 down. Trains regularly covered by ticket sellers for holiday makers. So trains regularly is ticket sellers is touts, and trains regularly is the alternate letters R, I, and S. Gives us tourists for holiday makers. 21 down. Singular repugnance. So repugnance could be an odium, I guess, and S for singular gives us sodium for a reactive element. And the final one we hear, member of cathedral staff. This is going to be a homophone, so a cannon you get in a cathedral, and it's just a cannon with two ends as a big old gun. So there we go, another one done. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep on crossing. See you again soon.